In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an item in your Etsy shop using WikiHow as your guide. Whether you're a seasoned Etsy seller or just starting out, this process is straightforward and I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. So let's dive in and get those creative products of yours online for the world to see. First, we'll begin by navigating to the WikiHow article on listing an item in your Etsy shop. This article provides a comprehensive guide complete with pictures, which make the process visually clear and even easier to follow. To find this article, simply type "How to list an item in your Etsy shop WikiHow" into your preferred search engine, and it should appear right at the top of your search results. Once you've found it, click on the link, and this will bring you directly to the page containing all the detailed steps you'll need. Now, as you browse through the article, you'll see step-by-step instructions on listing an item on Etsy. These steps are accompanied by images that illustrate the process, making it even more user-friendly. Images are particularly helpful if you're a visual learner, as they allow you to follow along with what you're seeing on your screen. In this guide, these pictures provide a visual reference point, ensuring you're on the right track each step of the way. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the first step outlined in the WikiHow article. Listed as step 1, this is where your journey begins. Taking the time to carefully read through the step will set the foundation for the rest of the process. Each subsequent step builds on the previous one, so it's crucial to focus on the details provided, ensuring you absorb as much information as possible. Once you've clicked on the first step, as indicated in the article, it's time to proceed. Each action you take will bring you closer to successfully listing your item on Etsy. It's important to follow the sequence as described. This helps prevent any potential errors that could complicate or delay your progress. Remember, the guide is designed to simplify the procedure, and sticking to it will make things much easier. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the pictures provided throughout the article. They're there to reaffirm that you're navigating through the process correctly. If at any point you're feeling unsure, refer back to these images or the textual instructions for reassessment. This way you can confidently continue knowing you're on the right track. And there you have it. Following these simple, clear steps from the WikiHow guide should enable you to list an item in your Etsy shop efficiently. Each action contributes to creating a seamless experience, letting you focus on what you do best, creating and selling amazing products. Thanks for joining us today, and good luck with your Etsy endeavors.